Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a kids meal on the grill. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with pierogies. They're thawed out. Salt, pepper. Kids like salt, pepper if they like it. And the grill's going to be on medium. Maybe a little less than medium. We have a squash, sliced dice like that. Okay, I'm going to spray these before you put them on the grill. Put them over. Kids can help you do this, they'll love it. Okay. I'm a big fan of spray. Grill. Spray the pierogi then and put them over. Beautiful when you're all round on the grill. These are four there. I like to brown these up. I turn these constantly. Spray them so they get beautifully brown. How nice they look. You can use your spatula to make it a lot easier. Spray them up. And spray my aluminum foil because I'm going to put them on there after I get them all brown. And it's delicious. I think I may shut the lid on them for about a minute and let it cook a little bit before I put on the hot dogs. I do have dessert. I have a banana drenched in chocolate, marshmallow, and brown sugar. And we wrap it in aluminum foil, tighten both ends, and we put it on the grill for about 7 minutes. It melts into the most delicious, sweet dessert. Make sure the ends are tight. We're going to put them on the grill for about 7 minutes. Go right on the grill, just like that. Okay. How nice they're looking. You can do it like that and you can tell whether they're done inside. Okay, so I'm going to put them on. A lot easier with it. Delicious. these are our banana marshmallow chocolate dessert. Put them on. That'll take about 7 minutes. Just stick the rolls on. I have cheese like in the middle, in the center. Kids are gonna love that. Okay. Shut this for a couple minutes. See how nice and crispy they get. Sounds crazy, but it does make a difference. We have the zucchini, Perogies. I'm trying to make that cheese melt. And then the bananas with marshmallows and chocolate chips. Okay, everything is ready. My hot dogs also have cheese in the middle. Okay. Oh, looks delicious. Look at that. When you spray the hot dog, it makes it crispy on the outside. Let's try this again. Okay, so my bananas in here. I'm gonna move this off. I have this side off. I'm gonna wrap this up because my grandson's not ready to eat yet, so I'm gonna let the bananas cook with the burner on, and I turn off the other two burners, and that's just gonna stay warm. Okay, it's all ready and delicious. Let's give it a try. Well, it must be delicious. She hasn't said a word. She just keeps gobbling it down.
Stop billing!